Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the 1 hour time frame chart of gold. Gold has made a new high at 1987 and previous high 1975 was broken today, and this is a new high. So it is high probability that the gold will come for the retest of this support at 1972. So if it comes and retraces up to this before breaking the high, it is expected that it will make the low. If it comes down to this level, it is a high time to buy this because the gold is in upward trend right now. So it is not recommended to buy from the above level. It is not according to the analysis to buy it from here, but it is better for after this high to make a new low at the 1972, and this is also the support on the 1 hour time frame, and we watch this on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, though this is highly uh, uh, seller zone, but this is a new high, previous high was broken, so it is expected that after coming to this support, the gold is expected to go for a new high. So now let us put the long position. Now long gold from somewhere here from this support, and the stop loss we don't need to put too far. Now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame for putting the stop loss. Now let us move to the, if it comes down, because the trend is now stop loss be put under this. Now this is entry and stop loss. Let me put the horizontal line. If it comes down, because we don't know, because the trend is bullish, but it is expected that it will come. Now let me put the horizontal line for stop loss. Put the stop loss under these. Now let me adjust this on the 5 minutes time frame. It is not coming on the 5 minutes. Okay, move to the 15 minutes once again. Now this is the stop loss at 1971.49. So this is the stop loss, this is the entry, and for take profit options, we don't exactly know whether it would come down or not. The trend watch here on the daily previous day level has been broken. This is broken. So let us see what happens. But when it comes down, this is the chance to buy gold. Now once again we are moving to the 4 hour time frame. Now if it comes and we get this here, then it is expected that the gold will be going for next high. So now let us put the take profit at 87, 88. It means it could go at the next level. On the, for example, we put the horizontal line for take profit. It could be somewhere. Now this is the current high. Then it is expected, if it doesn't come down, then this analysis will not be applicable. But if it comes to this level, now let us watch here. This is the level 1995. So I think if after 80, 75 it went for 87, 12. So then 1980, 1995 is okay, I think. So now let me remove all other lines, just the entry. Now this is the stop loss. Now let us zoom in. This is the 1 hour time frame. Now let me make it. This is the stop loss. 1971. Entry is at 1972. You may adjust this accordingly, but these are the lines that I have put up here. Now for take profit, let us zoom out, and this is the take profit. This is the entry. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye. Now once again I am going to repeat this. Sell go buy gold at 1972, stop loss at 1970, and take profit at 1995. Bye.